Well, it sounds like a few more flurries could be headed our way. For a look at what you can expect on your morning commute, let's toss things over to Andy.
Yes, Sarah, flurries to start, and then it'll start picking up and come stronger through the morning hours by steady snowfall through the morning into the early afternoon. It's not going to be all that heavy, but it will be more than what we saw just starting this day out. You take a look at the satellite and radar combination. You see the low pressure spinning in northern Iowa now. It's headed east. A little more moisture along that than we saw 24 hours ago. There was hardly any snow with that last low pressure. This is getting a lot of moisture, and it certainly is going to spread that across the area and pretty much snow a lot longer than it did today too into the early afternoon. Our temperatures are all below freezing, and we'll head to the mid-20s tonight, and then highs tomorrow only around that freezing mark at the warmest. That's where we were today. So everything that falls from the sky is snow, and it sticks. The difference, though, I think as we get the snow to fall during the daylight hours, it's going to be a lot easier for salt trucks and all that stuff to melt away. You look at readings, it's 3 degrees at the Sioux, 2 in Marquette, while when you go south into central Illinois, they're still in the upper 30s and low 40s down there. So we're not getting the warmth, we're not getting the cold. Everything's coming in from the northwest. And you see how that low pressure is coming from that same direction. So our temperatures, they're no big deal. They'll actually be pretty comfortable. Still no real wind to worry about either, so that's fine. But it's the light snow. Even the western side of the state shows some snow on radar. None of that reaching the ground. It's going to be several more hours before that does happen. We widen this up and you see that area coming out of the Dakotas. Now the system that came through here this morning, that is already out to sea. Look in the Atlantic, the little green rain showers and get past the parts of Massachusetts. It's way out there. So next system will move a little slower. It's going to be around more part of the day, so it's going to be easier to get our snowfall totals up there. And then after that one goes by, it's pretty quiet until we get back into the upcoming weekend. Here's how the forecast models have been handling this snow spreading across the area, and that is right around 8 o'clock in the morning right there. So light snow will continue through the morning into the early afternoon, then snow showers the rest of the way. So most of the accumulation will be from about sunup to around 2 in the afternoon, then just flurries. Once that goes by, watch how the cloud cover thins out to the north, and on Thursday we will turn partly cloudy. Should be the same on Friday as well, so we'll end the work week pretty quiet. Next chance of snow is going to come on Sunday with another low pressure center. The computer models latching onto a little bit of moisture, trying to get about an inch or two across the region. Real fluffy, real light snow. It's going to be hard to measure, but certainly everything's going to whiten up and you'll have to dust off the sidewalk or the driveway. As you look at the jet stream, all the cold still staying north, all the warmth staying to the west. We will get a little bit of warmth to come in from the west on Saturday to get us above freezing again. But then we'll have another low pressure that'll drop temperatures and bring some snow in for the daytime on Sunday, and that could be measurable as well. So we had a little bit this morning. We'll get a little bit more, maybe an inch or two tomorrow morning, and then by Sunday, maybe another 1, 2, or even 3 inches of snowfall. Lows tonight in the low to mid-20s. The snow will be developing very, very late. Starts out light and then becomes steadier through the morning hours. It'll taper off to flurries in the afternoon. The 1-800-Hanson's Weather Kit, it's a little guy, 4-month-old Everett from Springport. Temperature will be about 30 degrees like we were today. And again, the first half of the morning pretty snowy. When we get into the afternoon, it's just snow showers, and it will add up to about an inch or two. But once the salt trucks lay down the salt, I think that'll be very effective for traveling through the rest of the day. Thursday and Friday, pretty quiet. 28 for the high on Thursday, going below normal, then back and above on Friday. Saturday, mid to upper 30s with a couple of rain or snow showers, but that has nothing to do with Sunday storms. Sunday will be a separate low pressure that'll travel south of us, and we will be cold enough to get some snow, one of those general light snows that may last a good portion of the day. And then we get into Monday and Tuesday with much colder weather then starting to filter back in for next week. So again, got to be careful on the roads during the morning hours tomorrow. It'll be at sunrise just starting out, but as we work our way through the morning, snowfall will be falling, and about an inch or two is the way it looks right now, Sarah.